Welcome to our video where we will compare two kitchen essentials that will help you cook without the guilt: a silicone air fryer basket liner and a Gourmia air fryer oven. The silicone air fryer basket liners are available at an affordable price of $23, whereas the Gourmia air fryer oven costs $79. If you are on a budget, the silicone liners are a great option. With Gourmia air fryer oven, enjoy cooking a wide variety of dishes like French fries, bacon, seafood, and more. You can bake, roast, and even dehydrate food. However, the silicone air fryer basket liners are designed for a specific purpose, keeping your air fryer clean. Gourmia air fryer oven comes with 12 one-touch digital presets that deliver the best results. On the other hand, the silicone liners are perfect to keep food residue away from the air fryer, and they don't affect the taste of the food. Gourmia air fryer oven uses fat removal technology in the air fryer basket, which removes up to 90% of fat through the cooking process. In contrast, the silicone liners don't affect the nutritional content of the food. Thank you for watching our comparison video between the Gourmia air fryer oven and the silicone air fryer basket liners. If you found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons.